German, Deutsch, past tense, I was.
Ich war.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey do. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today we'll time travel through the German past of to be with quick laughs and clear repeats. Get ready to nail.
Ich war. Du warst.
And the whole crew. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say all 8 forms naturally and know when to use them. You've got this.
Ich war.
Equals I was.
Du warst.
Equals you were, singular, informal.
War.
Equals he was.
Sie war.
Equals she was.
Es war.
Equals it was.
Wir waren.
Equals we were.
Ihr wart.
Equals you were, plural, informal.
Sie waren.
Equals they were, you were, formal. Mini story, the rewind. Listen once, then shadow my rhythm. Once upon a timeline.
Es war.
A rainy evening, I checked my phone.
Ich war.
Already late, my friend texted that.
War.
At the cafe and her sister?
Sie war.
Stuck in traffic. When we finally met, we smiled because.
Wir waren.
All hungry, classic us. Echo drill. Say it like you mean it. Repeat after me, German first, then the meaning. Big voice, big memory. Repeat.
Ich war.
I was. Repeat.
Du warst.
You were, singular, informal. Repeat.
War.
He was. Repeat.
Sie war.
She was. Repeat.
Es war.
It was. Repeat.
Wir waren.
We were. Repeat.
Ihr wart.
You were, plural, informal. Repeat.
Sie waren.
They were, you were, formal. Dialogue at the party. Jump into a quick scene. Say the German line when I pause. Friend. Wow, last night was loud, yep.
Es war.
Wild. You. Tell the group, you guys were amazing.
Ihr wart.
Unglaublich. Friend. And you? You were funny.
Du warst.
Echt witzig. Narrator. He was the DJ.
War.
Der DJ. Narrator. She was the dancer.
Sie war.
Die Tänzerin. Coach. To the team, you were the best.
Ihr wart.
Die Besten. Waiter. Formal to guests, you were very kind.
Sie waren.
Sehr freundlich. Recap. Together.
Wir waren.
Eine stark crew. Culture tip. Fairy tale fuel. A tiny culture nugget with a memory hook. German fairy tales often start with.
Es war einmal.
Literally, it was once. When you hear.
Es war.
Your brain can picture story mode, past tense, comfy blanket, hot cocoa, and grammar sneaking in with a smile. Speed quiz. Answer fast, I'll reveal it after the pause. How do you say, I was? Answer.
Ich war.
Translate, you were, singular, informal. Answer.
Du warst.
Give, he was. Answer.
War.
Give, she was. Answer.
Sie war.
Say, it was. Answer.
Es war.
Say, we were. Answer.
Wir waren.
Say, you were, plural, informal. Answer.
Ihr wart.
Say, they were. Answer.
Sie waren.
Final challenge. 5-line past snapshot. Build a tiny story about yesterday. Fill in the blanks out loud. 1. Start. Yesterday, it was.
Es war.
Underscore 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 underscore, sunny, crazy, fun. 2. Add you. I was.
Ich war.
Underscore 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 underscore, late, hungry, ready. 3. Bring a friend, he, she was.
War.
Underscore 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 underscore.
Sie war.
Underscore 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 underscore. 4. Group vibe. We were.
Wir waren.
Underscore 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 underscore, excited. You all were.
Ihr wart.
Underscore 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 underscore, awesome. 5. Wrap it up. They were.
Sie waren.
Underscore 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 underscore, already there. High five. Goodbye from Synapse Lingo. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing a little every day. For more lessons and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. You rocked those past forms.
Ich war. Du warst. War. Sie war. Es war. Wir waren. Ihr wart. Sie waren.
Bis zum nächsten Mal. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo.